Trying to figure out which system plan to pick. In the next few minutes, I will break down all 4 plans feature by feature so you know exactly which one fits your business. Let us get into it. System has 4 plans: free, startup, webinar, and unlimited. On monthly billing, free is $0. Startup is $17 per month. Webinar is $47 per month, and unlimited is $97 per month. Switch to annual billing and you get 2 months free on every paid plan. The unlimited plan on annual billing also throws in free migration from your current tool. Quick tip: if you are sticking with the platform long-term, go annual. It is the equivalent of 2 free months. No matter which plan you pick, you get unlimited emails, unlimited file storage, unlimited students in your courses, 0% transaction fees, your own affiliate program, and real human customer support. That is a big deal because most competitors charge extra for things like email volume or transaction fees. Let us talk contacts and CRM. A contact is anyone on your email list, whether a lead or a paying customer. Free covers up to 2,000 contacts. Startup 5,000, webinar 10,000, and unlimited is unlimited. So if you have fewer than 2,000 contacts, the free plan is genuinely all you need to start. Email marketing. Every plan sends unlimited emails. The only difference is how many saved email campaigns you can build: 1 on free, 10 on startup, 100 on webinar, and unlimited on the top plan. Now, automations and sales funnels. Automation rules are triggers, like sending a welcome email when someone signs up. You get 1 rule on free, 10 on startup, 100 on webinar, and unlimited on the top plan. Next, sales funnels. A funnel is a series of pages that guides someone from a click to a purchase. Free lets you build 3 funnels. Startup 10, webinar 50, and unlimited is unlimited. Deadline funnels, which are funnels with expiring offers, are included on every plan. But evergreen webinars, meaning automated replay-style webinars that run on their own, only come with the webinar and unlimited plans. So if automated webinars are central to your business, the webinar plan is the right pick. Websites, blogs, and link in bio. Every plan lets you build websites and blogs. Free gives you 1 of each. Startup 5, webinar 20, and unlimited is unlimited. Every plan also includes a mobile-optimized link in bio page with 0% transaction fees on sales. If you want to run multiple sites for different brands, the startup plan is the minimum you should consider. Online courses and communities. Free lets you build 1 course with up to 500 students. Every paid plan gives you unlimited students, 5 courses on startup, 20 on webinar, and unlimited on the top plan. Communities follow the same structure, and community members are unlimited on every single plan. E-commerce and payments. Every plan supports unlimited physical products and every major payment processor, including Stripe, PayPal, and Apple Pay, with 0% transaction fees across the board. Affiliate program support and team. Every plan lets you run your own affiliate program, comes with 24/7 email support, and gives you unlimited assistant accounts, so you can add team members at no extra cost. The unlimited plan is the only one that includes a one-on-one Kickstart coaching session, free migration from your current platform, and early access to new features before they roll out to everyone else. So which plan should you pick? Let me make this really simple. Fewer than 2,000 contacts and just starting out, pick free. It costs nothing and it covers almost everything you need. Between 2,000 and 5,000 contacts and you need more funnels and courses, pick startup at $17 per month. You want to run automated webinars or you have up to 10,000 contacts, pick webinar at $47 per month. Over 10,000 contacts, running an agency or managing multiple clients, go unlimited at $97 per month. Now I want to make this decision even easier for you. If you sign up to any paid plan of System through my link, I will send you 6 exclusive bonuses completely free. These are bonuses I put together to help you hit the ground running faster than you would on your own. Here is how to claim them. Step 1, use my link in the description below to sign up to a paid plan. Step 2, once you have upgraded, send me an email or a DM with the email address you used to sign up. Step 3, I will confirm your sign up and send your 6 bonuses straight to your inbox. See you in the next one.